Bishop Dhanraj Kota, Pastor Sudhakar, who's from Glorious Christ Church. Brother Vijay Kumar, who heads the Hope team, he works very actively for women and girl safety, blood donations, transgender community, empowering farmers, relief work of floods and COVID situations. He also works against human trafficking, drugs, AIDS, wrong medical billing, social atrocities, and many more to list. Reverend Vineet Elson, Miss Vanita Viola. She is the youngest lady of 16 years to join Indian Railways through sports quota. She and Mithali Raj had a record partnership of 211 runs as openers under 16. She passed BCCI reference 2 years back and was second in girls and was selector of 1 year. Dr. Shane Stevenson Pasupula, a sports physiotherapist in Hyderabad, founder and director of Caretakers Wellness, also active in his ministry, conducted 150 plus medical camps for the needy and supplied free medicines and treatment. His team distributes over 500 blankets every year. Nodar Uma Peri, Evangelist Rajkumar from Penuel Ministries. Rishikesh is the founder and pastor of Glorious Zion Ministries in Parvat Nagar, high-tech city. He's from Kerala and got settled in Hyderabad to do God's work here. He's also included in social activities such as flood relief and helping the orphanages and patients in hospitals. Sister Beauty, founder and director of Jesus Christ Ministries. Evangelist Praveen Babu, Jesus. Gaber Newton, he's a young and dynamic entrepreneur and youth pastor for Penuel Ministries. Dr. Amos Swaminathan currently is an associate pastor of Shekinah Christian Assembly. His responsibilities include facilitating Bible studies in the church and also works among the children in developing material for kids' church. He holds a PhD in religion and philosophy. Mr. James Sylvester, he's the president of Hyderabad Catholic Association. Father Victor Emmanuel, Mr. Michael Abraham, Secretary of Unity Sports Academy, Trimugiri. Father Raju Alex Parish, priest of Holy Trinity Church, Begumpet. He's been doing a lot of charity and social work, especially for education of children. Also is practicing law for the past 25 years. Dr. Praveen is a medical doctor and actor. Apart from his skills in diabetology, he acted in several films like Falaknama Das, care of Kanchan Parleman, which got nominated for national awards. Prophet Manoj David, founder of JCH SIM, Jesus Christ of Holy Spirit International Ministries, Kukatpally. Father Father V.K. Swami, Mr. Martin Michael, Brother Prabhu,
Mr. Martin Michael, he was the Catholic Association President of Twin Cities. You can look there. Captain Alvin, can we have him first? President of Mangorian Catholic Association. Thank you so much, sir, for honoring our elders. Dr. Ashish, please. May I have Pastor Anandi? Right. Please. May I have Mr. R.C. Torcher? He's a eminent minority leader. May I have Reverend Sister, the principal, to kindly receive the honors. May I have Mr. Ramesh? With this, we are coming to the end of the program. A nice dinner is arranged by the organizers here next to this hall. Kindly have our fellowship meal with us. And Alkamanuji, take on.
Can I have Sister Lordu Mary, please? She's representing St. Teresa Hospital, the youngest person who's done the wonderful job during the COVID season. A big round of applause for her, please. Thank you.
We all are very thankful to you, sir, Kishanreddy sir. You took special time for us and you gave us the chance to celebrate the Christmas with you. We are so thankful to you.